Japan has more people over 90 living without medication than any country on Earth. No bad knees, no blood pressure pills, no brain fog. Today I am going to explain exactly why and show you the 3 movements their bodies do every morning that make it possible. Here is what happens to your body when you don't move in the morning. All night, gravity compresses your spine. Your joints go dry because cartilage has no blood supply. It only gets nutrition from movement. And your cortisol, your stress hormone, spikes the moment you wake up. So when you roll out of bed and go straight to your phone or a coffee, you are starting your day with a compressed spine, dry joints, and a stress-flooded bloodstream. Do that for 20 years and you get what most people call normal aging. Japanese people figured out it is not normal. It is just untreated. There are 3 systems in your body that determine how fast you age. First, your spine. When it stays compressed, it pinches nerves and cuts communication between your brain and your organs. Second, your joints. Without daily movement, synovial fluid stops circulating. Cartilage dries, cracks, and eventually disappears. That is arthritis, and it is largely preventable. Third, your vagus nerve. This is your body's master anti-aging switch. It controls inflammation, heart rate, and blood pressure. It only activates through slow, deliberate movement and deep breathing. Japanese morning exercise targets all 3 every single day, so let me show you the 3 movements. Do them with me right now. Movement 1. Forward fold with arm swing. Feet hip-width apart. Bend forward slowly. Let your arms hang completely loose and sway side to side. Stay here for 45 seconds. Breathe naturally. What this does, it reverses 8 hours of gravitational compression. Every disc in your spine rehydrates. The nerves running from your spine to your organs open back up. You will feel a warmth move up your back. That is your spine waking up. Movement 2. Full joint circle sequence. Start at the neck. Slow circles. Move to shoulders, wrists, hips, knees, ankles. 8 circles each direction on every joint. Take 90 seconds total. What this does, every circle pumps synovial fluid into the joint. This is the only way cartilage gets fed. A 75-year-old Japanese farmer who does this daily has measurably healthier joints than a 45-year-old office worker who does not. Movement 3. Slow march with vagus breathing. March in place, knees to hip height. Inhale through the nose for 4 counts. Exhale through the mouth for 6 counts. Do this for 2 full minutes without stopping. What this does, the extended exhale directly stimulates the vagus nerve. Blood pressure drops, inflammation falls, cortisol resets. This is what doctors try to achieve with beta blockers. You just did it in 2 minutes for free. Now you understand why it works, not just what to do. That understanding is what makes you actually stick to it. Do these 3 movements every morning for 1 week. Notice your back. Notice your knees. Notice how you wake up on day 7 compared to day 1. If someone you know is aging faster than they should, send this to them. That one share might change more than you think. And follow right now because the next video explains the 5-minute wall exercise that lowers blood pressure without a single pill, with the full science behind why it works and exactly how to do it correctly. That video could matter more than any prescription you have ever been given.